Morning, sixth grade. Yesterday we talked about needs, and I gave you an example in the slides of water, and I showed you a really cheap price for bottled water with the Great Value water, and then a product, Fiji water, that was basically the same product but much more expensive. Today you're going to do the same thing, but I want you to pick your own product. So you're going to do a pricing analysis. So slide 2 will give you the directions. It says select the type of product that you consider in the needs category. So think foods, drink, clothing, shoes, lodging, homes, transportation, or needed technology. So you're going to pick a specific thing. So just for example, I'll say yesterday I did water. Please don't select water because that's the example I use, but you can pick any other drink. So let's say I was going to do sodas, I guess. So now I need to find a specific type or brand of product or soda, since that's what I selected, for each of the following price ranges: low, average, and expensive. So I'll need to find a soda that is extremely cheap, that's like a value. I need to find one that's pretty much an average price, and then find also a product that is extremely expensive for soda, or what I would consider expensive. Then you're going to fill out the slides for each product, and then you'll write a brief analysis of the pricing, why you think it's priced where it is. So on these slides, what you'll do is you'll name specifically what the product is. So don't just say soda, right? This is the low price soda. So tell me what the name brand of it is, specifically. You may have to also put in a little bit about the size of what the purchase is. And it says also, the second thing is copy and paste a link or a photo to the product. If you're good at dropping in photos, you can do that. That'd be fine. It may mess up your slide a little bit. You can just copy and paste the link. And so just so that you know, you need to highlight, the web address where it is, and then copy that using Control C, and then paste it right here using Control V. So I'll give you your shortcut directions there. Price of product. Tell me what the price of it is. You'll do that for the low price, for the average price, and for the expensive product. So you're going to find 3 of the same type products. You're just going to be more, pick a specific one that has a price in this range that you see. So you're basically a cheap one, an average price, and an expensive. And you'll fill out those slides for each one. At the end, the final slide, this is really the important part, is I want you to write a brief 4 to 5 sentence analysis of the pricing of the products. So to simplify that, discuss why you believe the different products are different prices. So just 4 or 5 sentences here talking about the prices of these products and what you think, why you think they're priced where they are. If you think one is too expensive or too cheap, which one you might buy. Just 4 or 5 sentences discussing the pricing of these things. That's all you have to do for today. Go ahead and click turn in on that when you're finished, and you will be done and can move on to other classes. Thanks. See you later.